Hey everyone, welcome back to Tap Tech. Today we are diving deep into what could be the next big thing for serious photographers and filmmakers, the Nikon Z9 II. If you think you know the Z9, well, get ready. Because what we're about to explore could totally reshape what a flagship mirrorless camera means in 2026 and beyond. Imagine a camera that combines the raw power of a pro DSLR with cutting-edge mirrorless tech. A camera that doesn't just improve on Z9, it rewrites the rulebook. That's what rumors say the Z9 II might be. And you need to stick with me till the end, because what's coming could make you rethink your next gear upgrade. Let's jump in. From what insiders and spec hunters are discussing, the Z9 II might pack some seriously next-level hardware. One of the biggest whispers is the inclusion of a completely new sensor, possibly pushing resolution beyond the current 45.7 MP, while preserving the speed and reliability that made the original Z9 a beast. Now, I know what you're thinking, higher resolution often means slower performance. But that may not be the case here. The Z9 II is rumored to launch with a next-generation image processor, likely dubbed the X8, giving Nikon's engineers the horsepower to handle big files without sacrificing speed. What does this mean in the real world? Picture this: blazing fast burst shooting, maybe 40+ frames per second in full 14-bit RAW. That kind of speed would make the Z9 II a dream for wildlife, sports, and action shooters. But speed isn't everything. Autofocus is equally important, and rumors hint at major upgrades there too. The Z9 already had a top-tier autofocus system, but the Z9 II could take it further with improved subject detection, smarter tracking, and maybe even expanded coverage across the frame. For content creators, filmmakers, and hybrid shooters, there's talk of video improvements, higher frame rate 8K, smoother internal video codecs, better heat management, and maybe even features that rival cinema cameras. This could make the Z9 II not just a stills flagship, but a full-blown production powerhouse. But what about usability? The Z9 was praised for its rugged, pro-level build and tank-like build quality, a body that felt ready for anything from studio work to rugged field conditions. Rumor has it the Z9 II may keep that toughness, while refining ergonomics and maybe improving the rear screen, possibly even adding a fully articulating monitor for easier shooting from tricky angles. Memory card slots and connectivity are also likely to evolve. Since photographers and filmmakers demand speed and flexibility, the Z9 II may support hybrid storage options, perhaps CF Express plus SD, and beefed-up tethering, wireless tools, and remote shooting capabilities. Of course, with all these rumors, it's important to stay grounded. As of now, the most respected rumor tracking outlet argues that the Z9 II is not expected to come in 2025. That means what we discuss here remains speculative. Nikon might take more time, maybe until 2026 or later. Or perhaps they might skip a Mark II and give the existing Z9 further refinements instead. Still, why do so many photographers keep tabs on Z9 II rumors? Because the original Nikon Z9 was a revolution. It combined a stacked CMOS sensor, blazing burst speeds, outstanding autofocus, and pro-level video work, and it changed how the world viewed Nikon mirrorless. So a new flagship from Nikon must walk a high tightrope, push boundaries enough to justify its existence, but preserve the strengths that made Z9 legendary. And that tension, that possibility, it's exactly why the Z9 II is so exciting. Now, if you are a professional shooter, wildlife, sports, events, or a high-end content creator, video, documentary, even cinematic work, the Z9 II could be your dream body. Imagine shooting RAW at lightning bursts, or capturing 8K video with pro-grade codecs and great dynamic range, without lugging around DSLR rigs. Imagine a single body that does it all: portraits, wildlife, video, commercial work. But even for serious hobbyists with deep investment in the Nikon ecosystem, Z-mount lenses, pro-level optics, Z9 II could be the definitive upgrade. A camera that future-proofs your gear for years. So, what should you do now? If you are in Buy Now mode and Z9 fits your workflow today, don't panic. Z9 is still an absolute beast. But if you are thinking long-term, start planning. Keep an eye on Nikon announcements. Save up. And watch this space. Because if Z9 II delivers even half of what rumors suggest, it could redefine flagship mirrorless for a new generation. Before we wrap up, quick real talk. Rumors are just that, rumors. Until Nikon stands on stage and says here it is, treat Z9 II as a wish list, not a guarantee. But smart photographers always keep an eye on the horizon. That's how you get ahead. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Tap Tech, and ring the bell so you don't miss the moment Nikon makes it official. See you in the next one. Until then, keep shooting, keep dreaming, and keep pushing boundaries. Until next time, stay creative. Whether you're chasing the sun, capturing wildlife, or telling cinematic stories, may your next frame be your best one yet. This is Tap Tech, where tech meets vision.